we get distracted towards social media. When we are preparing for exams, we often look into social media. That's what we got in common.
We choose students in that calm before exams. We had some questions related to confidence, stress, focus. So calm before exams, usually we are all thinking we need to calm for facing some challenge, exam is some challenge. So we need to calm ourselves before attending that. That's a great challenge. And being calm is not laziness. Calm is something to the challenge. We focus on getting more challenges. Confidence levels we need to have more naturally. It's okay if we won't get good marks, but we need to have some confidence to face the exam. And stress, we don't need to feel always stressed. It's okay, we have to let go some things. Normally then we have to focus on things, and we also had some thing called focus. So focus, normally our group discussion talked about focus. We all lack in getting focused on something. So our group all discussed, they gave some insights like focus. They keep, when the exams are there, they keep their phones switched off and they set some time goals to get focused on the things. So these are the insights my team members gave to get focused on to go to exams.